journey to Sakinah, embracing love, peace, and purpose in marriage. To the future brides and grooms, as you prepare to step into one of the most significant chapters of your life, remember this: marriage is a sacred bond, beautifully ordained by Allah. Just as Eve was created from Adam's rib, your spouse is your perfect match, destined for you by divine wisdom. Trust in divine timing. Allah, in His infinite knowledge, has already set the perfect time for you to meet your future spouse. Trust that He is guiding both of your paths, preparing your hearts to unite when the moment is right. There is no need for anxiety or rushing. The journey toward each other is unfolding exactly as it should, live with purpose and intention. Rather than focusing solely on when and how marriage will happen, dedicate yourself to living a purposeful life. Pursue your passions, embrace your strengths, and grow into the best version of yourself. As you live with intention, the right partner, someone who complements your journey, will be drawn to you naturally. You won't need to chase. Allah will bring them to you. Seek peace in your union. The essence of marriage is not just about love, but about finding peace, Sakinah, within each other. Love is a beautiful gift from Allah, but the foundation of a lasting marriage is tranquility. Ask yourself, what brings me peace? Does this person help ease my stress, calm my fears, and soothe my heart in life's storms? In a world filled with noise, your spouse should be a source of serenity, helping you navigate life with mutual understanding, respect, and care. Let go of worry and embrace patience. As you wait for your future spouse, release any fear or anxiety about the timing or outcome. Know that Allah's plan is perfect, and everything will come together when both of you are ready to build a life of love, harmony, and peace. Patience is not just about waiting. It's about trusting that what's meant for you will never miss you. Focus on inner strength and nurture your soul. While you wait, focus on nurturing your inner strength, faith, and emotional well-being. Build yourself into someone who radiates grace, peace, and purpose. This inner light will draw the right partner toward you, someone who aligns with your vision and values. Choose wisely, avoid drama. When seeking a partner, be mindful of red flags. No matter how deep the emotions may run, if there is a lack of respect, honesty, or peace, the relationship will not bring you the tranquility Allah promises in a true union. Avoid relationships filled with drama, temper issues, or constant conflict. Instead, seek someone who brings calm to your life, someone who fosters growth, peace, and happiness. Remember, the goal of marriage is not just to find love, but to build a life of peace together. May Allah bless you with a spouse who is not only a companion but a sanctuary, a partner who helps you create a home filled with Sakinah, love, and harmony. With love, prayers, and unwavering support. If you find this content inspiring and insightful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more inspiring and knowledgeable guidance on marital affairs, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rishta 360 Official. Together, let's foster meaningful connections and promote peaceful, purposeful living.